It is also good that we're seeing Obasanjo endorsing something from the southeast, and in particular from Anambra, because it's the same Obasanjo, as a matter of fact, who presided over Peter's impeachment as former governor of Anambra State. So that is probably a clear picture of the world that there's no permanent enemy in politics. And also it was the same Obasanjo who presided over the burning of Anambra State during the time of Chris Ngige, when he unleashed his men, the Obash, on Anambra. And again, still on the southeast, it was the same Obasanjo during his tenure, when the Senate presidency was zoned to southeast. We saw high turnover of Senate presidents within a period of time. Remember the Enwerems, Nwabara, Pius Anyim, and then Naman and the rest of them. So we in the southeast have always thought that he has something against us, that he hated us, because we knew also that he used those instrumentalities for the destruction of Anambra State also to pollute and destroy our political ecosystem by making sure that somebody like our political hero Ekwueme and all that were humiliated and denigrated to the lowest level by the same Obas. So I have it on authority that he unleashed them on Anambra people, on the Southeast people, to make sure that our best never see the light of the day. And so therefore, if he's coming around now to appreciate something that is coming from the Southeast, let's take it that he's rewriting his wrongs. But for us, we remain solidly behind Atiku Abubakar, Waziri Adamawa, because of things we believe in.
Okay, I was coming to that, because won't this hurt the chances of your candidate?
Oh, no. I mean, you know, Obasanjo has no vote. In Southeast. And besides, PDP and Waziri Abubakar and Okonkwo don't need 100% to win the presidential election. Peter Obi should always have his supporters. And again, he should also be ready to bear the consequences of the endorsement. Because normally when you embrace such endorsement, you inherit both the liabilities and the assets of the endorser. So I know that as much as Obasanjo is following Peter, maybe those who would have been with Peter, who don't want to be with Obasanjo, they will start leaving him now. And they will inherit those who support what Obasanjo supports. So it's a matter of what number. We are not worried about it. It will definitely be of no consequence in what will be the outcome of the election in the Southeast. But let's take it that he's consistent, and then he will follow and support him to the end. In that case, he may have been realizing that he has to rewrite his wrongs, or maybe turning around to appreciate us, which we are sure he helped to destroy our political setup and structure in the Southeast entirely.
Most thank you.